other mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely wonderful day. Thank you so much for being here. I do truly appreciate it. And make sure to give me a big thumbs up. It really does help me out if you like the video. Leave a comment. I love talking with you guys. And if you have not already, please do go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join us. As you can see, I have some decor behind me, some pretty little Christmas lights. I am filming in a different location for a few videos. I just thought it was fun. So if you notice the background is different, that is why. But I am super excited. As you can see from the description, we do have another unboxing of, pick it up, it's very heavy. This is the December Thrift-A-Bag. And for those of you that do not know, I did do an unboxing of this a few months ago, or just a couple months ago. And it is a handbag subscription. And they are pre-owned authentic designer handbags, and it is $45 a month, and every month you will get 3 designer handbags. And you guys, these handbags are unbelievable. I mean, we're talking about Coach, Michael Kors, 9 West, Dooney and Burke, Anne Klein, Liz Claiborne, Kate Spade, Dana Buchman. I mean, you know, some huge names. I got, in the first box I did, a beautiful Michael Kors purse, and it looked brand new. I also got an adorable Coach wristlet, and I use it all the time. It is fabulous. And then a 9 West bag. And you guys, I'm telling you, the quality of these bags, considering that they are pre-owned, you would never know. So I will make sure to put a link down below to the site, and it is through Cratejoy, and a coupon code. Like I said, it is $45 a month for the 3 bags. That's $15 a piece, basically. And what's really awesome is the curator of this box. She is amazing. She actually includes a gift bag in every box, so that if one of the purses is not really your taste or your style, you can gift it and you already have the bag. How awesome is that? And how awesome is it that, you know, this would be an amazing Christmas gift. I am super excited today. I don't know if you guys can tell. I feel like I'm talking 100 miles a minute, but I am absolutely so in the holiday spirit. I have my red on, my red lips. I'm just so ready for Christmas and the holidays. And I absolutely think this would be an amazing gift for someone. If you have someone that loves purses, absolutely the perfect gift. And what you can do if you want is you can order the subscription, because there's 3 purses, get you a purse, and then you still have 2 gifts. Or just gift the subscription to someone who loves purses. You have so many options of how you could use this as a gift and for yourself. It's just amazing. I love the subscription. So let's dive in here and see. I did just go ahead and cut the tape. I have not peeked. It's been killing me, y'all. So I'm ready to dive in here. Y'all ready? So we're gonna open it. And this is what it looks like when we open it. There is a card here that tells us, I'm not going to really look too much because I do know that it does tell us what purses are in here. But it does talk about how, you know, she included a gift bag, and that is really awesome. So we will reference that when we need to. And how cute is this bag? Like, it matches me, silver and red. I love it. All right, so the first one I am seeing right here on top, I love that she bubble wraps every purse. And it can also be, just so you know, it may not always be 3 purses. Like I mentioned previously, in the box I opened before, I got a Coach wristlet. So you could get a wallet, a wristlet, you know, a bigger handbag, a smaller handbag. It's just a great variety. And like I said, I don't know what she does to get these purses in the condition they are in, because considering that they are pre-owned, they look brand new. So it's just, it is amazing. So let's take a look here at the first one. Oh, you guys, this is so cute. It's like it is simple, but it is so cute. Oh, you guys, it's got a little magnetic closure. And this is an Ann Taylor Loft purse. So you open it, this part is black leather, and this is almost like a straw type material. And hey, y'all, sorry about that. The mailman showed up. So as I was saying, this is kind of a straw material here. It is very smooth, and this is a smaller strapped bag. And then when you open it, you can see in here the Ann Taylor Loft. It is super clean. You have a zip pocket and another pouch, again super clean, and one more little pocket. So that is adorable. Let's see what it says for this one. Ann Taylor Loft straw. See, I got it. Shoulder bag. So that is really cute. Now the next one looks so cute. I can see a little bit through the tape, the bubble wrap. I think I know what kind of purse this is going to be. And it is a Vera Bradley. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so adorable. It has these, it's kind of like a little boho shoulder bag, but it has these little like knots on the side that is so cute. And you can see here, it does say Vera Bradley. This is like the perfect purse for like summer and winter. It is so cute. And you open it, and you see the Vera Bradley tag, and it is yet again super clean on the inside. And let's see, it looks like there are 3 little pockets just like this, the same size, 3 pockets like that inside. And you can see it looks brand new. Amazing. This one says Vera Bradley Bally Gold Mini Tote. So adorable, y'all. And then the last one, this one looks a little bit bigger. Move the box. This, let's see. Y'all, oh my gosh. Is this beautiful Coach bag. You guys, oh my gosh. Has this like buckle accent here that actually is a pocket, and that beautiful purpley maroon color. And it's the same here. You have the zipper. You do have the tag here with the serial number, and 2 other pockets inside right here. This is so cute, and I love that it does have the Coach there, the leather handle. Oh, you guys, this is so cute. Yet again, my mind is completely blown that for $45, a Coach Let's see, it says this is the Coach Signature Convertible Duffel Hobo Handbag. A Coach bag, a Vera Bradley bag, and an Ann Taylor loft. $45. Crazy. So like I said, this would be an amazing gift that you could send to anyone or purchase for anyone that is a purse lover, or if you love purses and you have a friend or family member that loves purses, you could get you a purse out of it, and then you can give them two, or give, two different gifts. It's so awesome. Like I said, I will make sure to put a link down below to the Cratejoy site for Thrift-A-Bag and a coupon code that will get you $5 off. So you could get your first box for only $40. Y'all, it is crazy. It's just amazing. Like, I am at a loss for words, because like I said, the first box I did, I got a Michael Kors purse, a Coach wristlet, and a 9 West crossbody. So to get another beautiful Coach bag, the Vera Bradley is adorable, and then the Ann Taylor loft, that is a super cute purse as well. And the sizes, so you have purses for different, depending on what you're doing. That's why the first bag, I absolutely loved the Coach wristlet, because it has come in handy so many times. So like I said, everything will be down below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and do definitely go head over to Thrift-A-Bag. If you are looking for a wonderful Christmas gift, this is absolutely the way to go. I do not know any woman that would not absolutely love this for Christmas, or anytime. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Everything will be below, as well as the coupon code. I hope you guys have a fabulous day, and I will talk with you at the next video. Bye.